Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to add Saber on your text very easy and quick in After Effects. Let's grab your text tool and type anything you want. Press S on your keyboard and scale the text as much as you want, then let's align the text to center of the screen. Now create new solid layer. Rename it to Saber and hit OK. Add Saber Effect on that solid layer. Open Render Settings and change Composite Settings to Transparent. Open Customize Core and change Core Type to Text Layer. Set Text Layer to text you have made. Now make sure to toggle off your original text layer and then under Saber choose any preset you want. The text looks amazing but it is all messed up and it's not readable. Let's fix it quickly. Set Core Softness to 0, also change Halo Size and Halo Intensity to 0%. Now open Distortion, then open Glow Distortion and change Composite to Multiply. The text now looks way better to me. Now go to Glow and Core Settings and adjust them on your wish or copy my settings. The effect is ready. Now in case if you wanted to track with your video, let's toggle your Saber layer for a while and then click on your clip layer, then go to Tracker and hit on Track Camera. As the analyzing is done, let's select some points on the ground, then right-click and click on Set Ground Plane and Origin. Right-click on Track Points again and select Create Solid and Camera. Toggle back on Saber layer and then link it to Track Solid and enable 3D on Saber. Correct X, Y, and Z, and also scale your text until it's cool to you. Once you are satisfied with it, toggle off Track Solid layer and we are done. I will rotate my text a bit more. That looks cool now. In case if you want to animate your text, let's scroll to the beginning of your Saber layer and then click on End Offset Stopwatch icon and change it to 0%. Then scroll forward a bit and change End Offset back to 100%. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.